The Yamaha Xt 600, first introduced in the 1980s, has a legendary status among adventure motorcycle enthusiasts. Known for its robust design, reliable performance, and off-road prowess, the Xt 600 is a favorite of riders exploring rugged terrain. Its simple mechanics and iconic styling made it a timeless classic, leaving an indelible mark in dual sport motorcycle history. Decades later, the spirit of the Xt 600 continues to inspire modern motorcycle design. Its legacy has paved the way for innovative adaptations, blending retro aesthetics with advanced technology. Holy Moly Motorcycles has taken this inspiration to new heights with their latest kit, transforming the Yamaha Tenere 700 into a modern homage to the Xt 600. The custom motorcycle shop has launched a plug-and-play kit that transforms the Yamaha Tenere 700 into an Xt 600-inspired off-road bike. The kit consists of two main parts, each carefully designed to give the Tenere 700 a retro makeover. The first part focuses on the front end, featuring a new LED headlight that seamlessly integrates with the bike's existing wiring. Other components include a tall retro front fender, smaller LED indicators, three-dimensional printed dashboard mounts, custom side covers for the fuel tank, and stylish decals for the headlights, fender, and side panels. Practical additions such as a radiator guard and lower front mudguards complete the package, ensuring both style and protection. The second part of the kit transforms the rear of the bike. The kit includes the RTech rear and side plastics, along with a tail tidy that incorporates indicators, cable adapters, mounts, license plate holder, and reflectors. Like the first kit, it comes with decals that enhance its retro charm. These components work together to create a cohesive, vintage-inspired design that is sure to turn heads. What makes this kit even more impressive is its non-invasive installation process. No cutting or drilling is required, thus maintaining the integrity of the original bike. Moreover, the kit also promises weight savings, thereby improving the overall performance of the bike. As for pricing, the front kit is available for €880, while the rear kit costs €1,280 during the launch period. These prices may go up with time, so it's a good time for enthusiasts to get their hands on these kits.